Okay.
Ready? Go!
Stare at your own white plane.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Everybody get along.
Yeah.
Slowing down.
Hey?
We're trying to slow down.
Calling you swapping spots.
I'm gonna sloop around and come back to the tail.
I need to add a little nitro in my gas.
Yeah, yeah. Nice one. You give her the yanking bank.
Well, I just didn't want to go into college.
Yeah.
Didn't want to make.
Right behind you there whenever you drop in.
Coming in.
Yep, give her.
There.
NASCAR. It's like NASCAR
I
racing.
backed off, yeah. Yeah, just so I can get in the frame with you guys, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna change a prop or something.
Yeah.
What prop do you have? I don't know. I have to look at
Ooh, that was really low.
it. Who's playing with down like
I went a little low there. A little flare and a little low. Thought I was in the weeds for a minute. Some guy smoking up there, pretty hurt.
All right, let's bring it in tight.
Started watching the wrong white plane for a minute.
Yep, been there.
Yeah, somebody's smoking good.
I'll just rub the little trail off of that thing, man.
I gotta come up for a loop and come around to the tail section.
Like one of them cyclists that go from the front of the pack to the back of the pack.
Yeah. Just so I can catch up with the group. Whoa.
My turn to do the same. Somebody's over here. And above you there, Colin? As you see by the smoke trail, I'm the heavy smoker.
What are you using like filter?
Hey, yeah.
Yeah, really watching. I came down last time.
Kind of concerned like right now. Going up and then coming down. He's like, get hammered, man. Okay, keep straight down.
Could have gone right into an immortal, man.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Is that you there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Gear.
4 minutes.
Whoa, no. I'm gonna stay under you.
Yeah.
There's a good shot.
It was.
Assuming that's Dave with us?
Yep.
There we go.
Trying to sink in this.
Drop her in and go full pin.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming in after. I got a minute and a half left on my second.
No sense pushing.
No, not with nitro anyway. I usually always land with a fair bit. You know how that works. Who's coming in? No, there's probably somebody's coming in.
I'm just staying out and let you guys come in if you're going in. You do your safe thing. Somebody's burping.
Next.
Okay, I'm clear. Yeah, all right, I'm coming in.
Since I'm the next one lined up, I guess it's you.
This is like watching black sheep squat.
What the fuck?
It's a white
Baby,
She's
what
stalled.
was that about?
What happened?
Well, I don't know. It's almost like I lost throttle response or something there. She just fucking, I was going down. Okay, slow down, girl.
Jesus.
Slow down. What the hell? I had to go around. I lost throttle response over there or something because I thought I was going down into the weeds. Okay, let's try that again. Holy crap.
Time. Oh, you was mad. He's gonna take off right right into wherever.
She didn't like being around that herd, I don't think.
Oh, Dad.
Let's try that again.
Oh, Rob didn't get started.
Just so I hear.
Oh, that, yeah.
Yeah, shut
Just
up.
gear. And the gear punch close to it. Wasn't that the one that he couldn't get running? But he
They're just gonna kill you over there. I had to kill the throttle the whole way around. Did that last time too. Wouldn't slow down.
You need a parachute. Yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah, it wouldn't slow down the last time. The other flight
He was playing off the Kevin Kmac.
Yeah, he's got tons of Bring her in, man. I'm just right at the end of the runway there. Save his last word.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, exactly. This one likes to float.
Way over in the grass there, you'll be fine.
She's a bit of a
Spain, you'll be fine.
she's a bit of a floater.
Yeah, don't hurt the gem. Yeah, it would not. Look at the fucking. I got it right down the trim. It still wouldn't slow down. I don't know.
That's a good plane for having lots of wind down the runway.
Actually, if I had to guess, last time I did that, the battery was loose.
Nice, Kevin.
She doesn't want to settle though. Still not settling. There she goes.
Push mine back in, would you?
Yeah.